There we go. So down to Carnoustie. Might head up flying later on, but at the moment, nice breeze. Just drying out the wings from yesterday's flying. And that's all for Dunhill Cup. Helicopter landing. So for the golf. Big nice one with the shadow. Right, so we've got the sailing club with my boat there, and Barry Budden with the red flag out for the shooting. Mainly the harness, so it's just the tiniest of touches of brake when you occasionally need it. So come across and get lift off the seawall. Right, drying the laundry. Afternoon, folks. Nah, just see if I can. It's a bit dodgy filming at the same time, but just see if I can get a bit of filming on the seawall.
Okay.
The conditions are just right, you can get a nice soar flight along there. But it's not so easy when you're holding the camera at the same time. Exactly. Yeah. Tricky to get up that wall. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Yeehaw. Hup. Ah, great fun. It's where you really want to head. Dry. Great place.
Going to go over here a wee bit?
No, you just fly the seawall. Folks down from the boat club. At the boat club. just like that. Piece of cake.